Yeah, that does not look good. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. I kind of like this. Oh, wait, that's a paid. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an awesome looking logo in just a few seconds by using the tool Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm on my screen. I'm in Canva right now, and let's make a logo. All right, so I'm not sure what the use case may be for you. Let's say you have a YouTube channel or a company and you have to come up with a logo. Maybe you're not too creative, but you just need a logo. I strongly recommend Canva because they're gonna help you with the template and coming up with awesome ideas on how to start your logo. In this case, I'm gonna pretend I need a logo for my YouTube channel. So we can go here to templates, and then I'm gonna go here to logos. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll through here, and mind you, before you even start scrolling, if you go right here, you're gonna see all these different topics right here as options. So like, let's say you want a logo that focuses on computers, it's then gonna show you options here. So just keep that in mind if you are trying to focus on a certain theme for your logo. Now, I'm just gonna browse through here and see if there's something that pops out to me. I kind of like this. I'm not sure. Let's try it. All right. Oh, wait, that's a paid.
Come on, man. What is he doing?
So again, I do not have the paid version of Canva. Canva, if you're watching this, hit me up, but I do not have the paid version. So I'm not gonna use that. Let's see. I actually like this color. So once you find the one you like, then you can just say use template. And then it's gonna populate, and technically you could just take this if you really wanted to, but that is not what we're gonna do. So let's see here. I'm gonna do Tyler Stanczak, and then I'm gonna do creative, and I'll probably want to change this to be a different font. So let's go up here, see what Quicksand usually looks like. Kind of like that font right there. So we'll keep it like that. Then right here, so I'm gonna probably want to edit this. We'll just group these and then lock it. That way we don't have to worry about, messing around with it. We're gonna add a gradient here. So let's see, you can add a gradient. All right, this is starting to take shape now. Let's see if we can change this to be that. Doing Alt-Shift to expand this evenly. And then let's zoom back in. All right, now let's get rid of this because we're not going to need that. All right, so now let's add in maybe a line, or let's do a circle. We'll add in text. Try adding that in. Okay, I don't like that one as much, at least not for this scenario. Still cool idea though. Let's try this. All right, we're gonna move this in the center like so, and then we're gonna do Alt-Shift to increase the size and white. See if they have cooler circles than that. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. Let's try that instead of this one. I know it's not that much different, but
2,000 years later.
Okay, I like that. Sweet. All right, so as you can see here, this is just a quick demo on how you can make a custom logo by using Canva. You might have to play around a bit just to see what elements are available to you, especially if you're using the free version like myself. If you do have the paid version, you're gonna have a lot more capabilities available to you, but in this case, for the free version, it's still possible. You can also download this, which is great. And then you can use this as your new go-to logo. So with that being said, I hope you guys did find this video extremely helpful. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate the support. Also, if you are interested in learning more things about PowerPoint, even though I know this was a Canva tutorial, I do have a course on Udemy. So I have a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.